Hello, welcome back to Pankaj Dobarya's Tech channel. In the previous video, we shows multiple things like how to create plugins, about the structures of the nopCommerce, store the data in the database, and whatever the data that we stored, that will be showing on the front end through the widget. So that was the first complete cycles that we completed through the nopCommerce. Now, the next steps is we are creating a shipping plugins in the e-commerce market. If you are showing like shipping is the main important parts, like whenever the order is placed through with shipment, and the shipping charges will be calculated based on the business owner. So in this video, I will show you how to create a shipping provider plugin and the charges that we can configure from the admin panel. So from initial starts, I will show you how to create a shipment plugins and how it will be usable. In the step by steps, I will be going to show you like all the steps that's completely production ready a plugins. So let's move to the code. Okay, so here is our code. Let's begin. Uh, as in the previous video that I show you my first plugin. This plugins that we are showing, as I said you, to store the data database and showing on the front end. Now we are creating another plugins that will be for the shipping. So let's create a new plugin. New. Here is the plugin properly template 4.9 steps we are selected. Click on the next, and I can give you my plugin name. The plugin name is that will be for nop.plugin.misc. This is not a misc, so we need to remove the misc. And we are putting the shipping dot, let's say, by postcode. I will show you that's why I put the by postcode, because in the near futures, this plugins I will be created as shipping charges by the postcode. But as of now, I will show you the fixed charges for the shipment. So by postcodes will be there, plugins will be created. Okay, so as I show, if you are using the templates, all the folder structures will be created. Okay, so I will show you the plugins by fixed postcode, and here is all the structures of that. Okay, so the first need to be updated is over here, like shipping. You can copy the word from here for better easily from plugin.json. Shipping consumption rate. That will be better options because of the group name is changed. It will be showing then another value in the group. Drop down once you are searching with the group. The friendly name about this plugins like shipping by postcode. The system name, that is our plugin name, whatever we are showing over here. DLL is also provided, version 4.9. Author name, let's say Pankaj Dobaria. And the plugin is description is this. Uh, this plugin is used for shipping charge. Okay, so plugin.json is completed. The next one is our main file. Here you need to be defined about the shipping consumption rate. Okay, so the base plugin is already there. You need to define I shipping rate consumption method. This will be important. Will be there. Okay, let's put predefined methods. If you can click over here and implementations, so this will be predefined method that will be required. And here I will be put some region that will be first fields and region C2R and region. Here is the method. And okay, so this will be okay. Now we are going for some of the codes that will be not necessary, so just let me put it on the comment as of now because we are using the content. If you want you can delete as well, but from my perspective just I am doing a comment out this code that will be not in useful because in this plugins we do not create any kind of domains, so does not require a domain mapping and the migrations. So all are commented as of now. All okay. Now let's change the plugin name. That will be by postcode plugin. And we'll also change the name as well. And let's put it over here. Okay. I need to add a new file that is by postcode setting. Okay, so this is all okay. Now I have already created some of the file, but let's here the public decimal test shipping charge. You can put it as a settings test shipping charge. Okay, now I have some of the code. That is here is our plugin.cs. I can explain each and every method as well. So let's put it over here, plugin.cs, and let's just copy inside the method. That will be method is okay. So here it is. Methods will be ongoing. Okay. Now the fields. Okay. Fixed by postcode. That is settings name. Fixed by postcode. Okay. Okay. And the test shipping value. That is our setting. Okay. So this will be all okay. Now just need to be put a CQL. So there's two methods I already explained about install and uninstall that will be used for the plugin. The second one is the configurations part about like once we have click on the configuration, which methods will be there that we will be created just now. This is the fixed rate as of now I will be passing as null, and this is the tracking links will be there as of now it will be passing on null. This three method is compulsory. This is more important on the shipping plugin that will be used for the returning as a response. In the response, like we can set a multiple shipping options that will be showing on the checkout field, and based on this shipping methods, shipping options, it will be charges based on that. So here we have setting the charges, the description, and the names of that, and how many days it will be transit for that. Okay. So this is the basic things that we are applying on the shipping charges. Now let's configure for the few pages. So let's move to the also let's under the controllers. We will be creating a controllers will be there. So the controller name is this one. So let's put it in a class that will be a configuration controller. Okay, and that is the public will be there. This controller code is also that's I have written in. so I can explain you everything will be there. Okay, and the models. Okay, need to be create a model. So let's create a new class that will be under the configuration model. That will be a record and say and inheritance with the model. Now, is not model. Okay, so let's remove this, and here we will be set public integer. There is a two fields that need to be set. One is active scope. Get set, and the another property is test value. Public decimal. Okay, so model is ready. Now we are creating a view pages based on this post code configuration. So we are just create under the folder and the view. That's will be based on this name. Okay, so let's create a new item dot html. That's view page is created. Okay, I have already created a view pages. So here it is, the view pages will be there, models that we have created, and the fields that I will be added. So it's just the normal view that will be there, and on the view import that we need to underscore using the model configurations names will be there. So here we need to be put models. Okay, so this is enough for that. Here is the controller, and the controller size settings loads will be there. All okay. Shipping postcode settings cannot be used as the parameters of the my settings. Okay, got it. So this is because of here. Once I have settings, I did not inheritance I setting. I setting. Okay, this need to be configured inherited with I settings. This errors will be removed. Okay, this will be removed. Now the configurations method that will be HTTP post the configurations and everything is good. Let's see why this error is coming. The configuration model is less accessible than the method of post. Okay, the configuration models is less accessible because of this will be need to be public. Now this will be error is also resolved. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so this is for the configurations. Here is the that's view page is load from the getting settings, and this one is used for the save settings. Okay, once the settings will be saved, this here it will be getting the data and showing on the front end. So the plugin is ready. So let's build it. Okay, build is success. Let's see, our plugin is completely over here. This will be plugin. The plugin's name that will be affixed by postcode, area admin, view, controllers, and everything will be there. Okay, so let's run the code. Going for the admin, local plugin, the group that we are setting the shipping consumption rate, and here it is. Our plugin is there, fixed by shipping plugin. This is descriptions, author is okay, plugin system name, and the plugin is not installed. So let's install it, restart it. Okay, start it again. Okay, let's refresh this page. Let's see shipping consumption rate. This plugin is installed, edit, configurations, and everything is okay. Now let's showing the over here. See, this configurations will be added. Now I can show you in the front store. Let's go to the cart, checkout, and here it is. The fixed by code, the charges is 50. Okay, it can be putting this 50, saved it. If I go back and continue, I show this. Okay, here it is like once you are going to the settings, inside the settings there will be the settings, but here is a shipping provider, and if you can see the shipping providers, here is multiple shipping providers will be there. That's why here it is showing a multiple options. But if you are just to putting disable the manual one, so here it is only our plugins will be enabled. Okay, let's go back and continue. I can see only my shipping charges will be there, and based on the setting it will be charges. That will be our description that I put it over here. You can see on the code side the descriptions will be showing over here. This fixed by name is showing over here, and the charges that will be coming from the configurations method. Okay, so that's all about the shipping plugin. Okay, so I will create a shipment plugin that will be a fixed charges that will be showing on the checkout page, and based on that it will be placing an orders, and that particular charge will be calculated on your total. Okay, on the next video I will show you the shipping charges that will be calculated from the multiple shipping providers. That's as of now I'll be putting a shipping option as a fixed value that will be coming from the configurations. On the next video I will show you that multiple shipping options we will be created from the admin, and whatever the options we will create that will be displayed on the shipping options as on the checkout page. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn about the nopCommerce and .NET Core practical knowledge, please subscribe the channel. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.